Hey, what's up? Welcome back to another video, and today I got another awesome watch face, and this is Triple Play Saturday round 2, so stay tuned. It's coming right up. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video, and today we are having a giveaway. We're probably going to try to give away 2 watch faces, although we have one right now for the US, then we have one for the UK, and we have one for Canada. So if you're from those countries, let it be known when you comment in the comment section down below. Cool? Let's go ahead. Let's kick this review off. Now, the name of the watch face is called ACD 4th of July. Now, this watch face is definitely getting you ready for the 4th of July, and it was actually especially made for that occasion. Not a bad looking watch face already. Now, if you're looking at always on mode, it looks very nice for the Gear S3. For the Gear S2, it's going to look slightly different, but I'm thinking I like the look of the Gear S2 just a little bit better. Not a bad look at all, but when the watch face is on, here's where the uniqueness starts to shine, right? Check this out, right there. Tell me that's not a good look. That's your battery percentage. You come over, you get the week, the day of the year already. You get your year, you get your digital time. Not a bad look at all. You come down, you get Friday, you get your month, you get your date. Now, come all the way down, you get your step info and your goal that you should be completing every day, and also your heart rate and battery percentage. This is a nice look, right? But what makes this watch face stand out and what makes this watch face very unique, and I'm gonna give this developer 4 thumbs up for this one because I thought he really got down on this one. We're gonna double tap right here, and you can change the theme or the logo of this watch face, right, to whatever you want. Just cycle through for men and women. Yes, this is nice. Let's go through them all just to see what he's given us with this watch face. Now, this is affordable in the Gear Manager store, so if you are not called, trust me, this one here won't break an arm or a leg, right? Now, also, you can tap right here, and you can change the look of the watch face on this side. We're going to cycle through and go through all the colors just to let you see what you'll be in for once you download this watch face. All right, you all, that's going to be it for this video. Again, this developer got down, guys. Hit me in the comment section below. Let me know your thoughts. Don't forget to comment in the comment section down below for an opportunity to win a free watch face code. All right, you all, that's going to be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. And if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you all at the next video. Take care.